Welcome back to Coyote Classics here in Green, Iowa. Today we're checking out a great looking 1969 Chevelle Malibu. Now this is a beautiful car.
It's a beautiful color on this one, D.
Yep.
Absolutely love it.
Especially with the white, you know, super sport side stripe with that dark blue metallic is awesome.
So we'll kind of tell you a little backstory on this 1969 Malibu. We bought it, beautiful blue paint, SS hood. We put the white stripe on it. Nice. Came in with the Ridler wheels, so a great looking car. We went ahead, had a nice bucket seat interior. We went ahead and took the whole dash out, put a brand new dash in it, all new bezels, repainted it all, put a brand new radio, speakers, everything. So this is a turnkey car. But the biggest and most important thing is, unfortunately, we kind of got suckered on it a little bit, and we got it in. We checked the oil, wasn't quite right, had a crack in the block.
Yep.
We went ahead and ordered a brand new block from Summit, 345 horse, 350. Yep. So this motor does not have 15, 20 miles on it.
Correct, so brand new Summit crate, headers.
Air conditioning works, power steering, power disc brakes in the front.
But that paint job is beautiful, whoever did that. I mean, even the jam work, under the hood's just as nice as the outside. And hopefully the metallic comes through on the video, because
it's a gorgeous car.
It is.
Unfortunately, it's got a couple little chips in it that need to be touched up, we'll point out, but that's just from putting it together, driving it, you know what I mean?
Front bumper, grill, all that looks good. Grill looks
yeah,
like
the
it's
front
probably
bumper
the
is original though, Dalton. I want to point that out. It looks really good from a foot back or two, but it's got some little micro scratching. We did put a new back bumper on it though.
Yeah, I remember we did something for a bumper.
Yeah.
SS hood fits good.
I like that they left it a Malibu.
Yeah, I do too.
You know, they put the SS hood on it to give it that little pizzazz, but they didn't do any of the SS stuff.
And I like your call on the stripe. I didn't even realize that we did that. But we had this one sitting on the shelf, and it worked perfect for this car. Really just kind of breaks up that color, and I love that blue with the white. It's sharp.
And it still has the Malibu trim on the bottom. I like that as well.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You just don't see that all the time.
Yeah.
How many Malibus do you see out there anymore? Maybe
not many. They're a damn cool. Yeah, they're a damn cool car too. A lot of times they're
corner of the door. This is one thing I was going to talk about. A couple little things. You can see the chips. It looks like it was original Aqua car. So it had a couple chips right there you can see. But rust-free doors. Rubbers are replaced. Door panels, seats, console, carpet. Everything looks great. But check out that dash.
Yeah, we spent a lot of time into that dash because it makes a big difference. You know, when you come in and your dash looks kind of shitty and your lenses are all fogged over.
Yeah, all new bezels, all new lenses,
new steering wheel.
That radio is a $600-700 radio. It's a really nice one, all digital.
Dash pad looks good. Headliner's nice, and the dome light works with the door open. Speakers in the back shelf, and the back seat looks good too. A couple small wrinkles in the back of the headliner, but nothing that I would worry about. Roof, sail panel area look great. Love the wheel well trim, and really straight car up and down the sides. Behind the rear wheel, no bubbles or blisters there. Love the Ridler wheels.
They did a nice job on the jam paint as well. Like I said, the doors, fenders, everything was taking off. Out of the mat. The trunk is absolutely rust-free, and the floors are awesome too. Make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out the floor pan pictures, check out the frame. Just a really solid Malibu.
Back bumper's new. Yeah, it's a good car.
The biggest thing with it, it was a really good car when we got it, we thought. But like I said, we spent $15,000 after that, probably.
Yep.
At least.
Yep, we're taking a licking on this one, but someone's getting a really good car.
Yeah, that's
at our expense.
That's to put it very mildly.
But that's something different that we don't do. So even, I'm not saying most dealers, but I'm saying a lot of dealers would get a car in like this. Okay, it's a cool car, they bought it and the engine's blown up. They're gonna do one of two things. They're either gonna send it to an auction and screw, you know, some random guy that raises their hand and buys it, or they're gonna just try to sell it on their website and not tell somebody that, or put some sealant in the, you know, but we don't
do that.
No.
We are gonna take a licking
Yeah.
and make a good customer.
We're gonna lose 10 grand, but sell it right and sell a good car.
Yeah, that's the way to put this one.
Mm-hmm.
You know, we didn't stop just because we had the motor problem. We still did all the dash because we want to take it to that next level.
Yeah.
The car deserved it, didn't it?
And we just don't have the conscience to send something through an auction.
No. See here, rust-free doors. Unfortunately, on the paint, it just like I said, one little chip there, and then a couple on the rocker that need to be touched up. So
It is a good car though. It turned out nice.
beautiful.
Console looks
Door
good.
buzzer even works with the key in it. You know. Jam paint. They did a great job on that.
That's a
Hood
big
lines up good. Doors line up great at the bottom.
front disc brakes.
You see what I'm talking about here, D? It's just right here. We'll try to get a little touch-up paint right here, right there, and there's a chip here on the
You're
rocker
done
right
with the
there.
rocker.
Yep, that needs to be touched up.
Other than that, the paint's excellent.
Oh, the paint's beautiful. Show quality other than that. All right, so as we get in here, rolled the windows up, ready to go. I do want to point out one thing. There is a little crack in the head. There's a crack in this headrest here, D. I don't know if you can see it, but behind Dalton's head, there's a crack in the headrest. Okay. Brand new Malibu steering wheel. The dash, as I mentioned, is in great shape too. It's a really nice Malibu.
All right, so fire's right up. Wipers work.
Horn works, dome light works, AC works.
Nice.
So we got that all charged up. You can hear the engine.
Yep, the
idle go
compressor
down a
kicks
little
on.
bit. We don't need the AC today, but
No.
it's nice that it's all here.
Carries really good oil pressure too. Got an oil pressure gauge down there. Temp gauge works. We're warming up here, and alternator gauge works as well.
Go ahead and shut the AC off. It's got a brand new AM/FM digital radio.
Yeah, it's winter's starting to approach. It's starting to get chilly, but
And it gets dark. It's getting dark
does.
early.
I know. Nice.
Whoa, what a nice
got a
transmission.
nice shift,
What a good
too.
shift, huh? Brakes are perfect. No pull left or right.
And that new crate sounds good.
It does, doesn't it? Hey, as far as our gas gauge works as well. Nice easy shift.
Goes down the road nice too.
It does. I mean, super nice and easy. One thing I got to point out is the speedometer's off a little bit. It does read a little high. Turn signal indicators work great. Brakes are awesome.
Yeah, it's sharp. This is gonna turn a lot of heads. Did we paint the dash too? Timmy did a really nice job.
Yeah, I painted it. Yeah, it's a nice. It'll make a nice driver for somebody.
Absolutely. Very good car. There's your temp gauge, come up to warm temp, so that works good too. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.